I'm Malcolm Stewart, and I appreciate this opportunity to spend a few minutes sharing some information with you about MyEcon. Almost everyone would like to grow and enhance their personal finances. MyEcon has empowered thousands of people financially, and I can tell you from my own personal experience that I witnessed my father saving over $700 per month that he was overpaying in federal taxes. When my father was introduced to MyEcon, he was able to get that money back every month, take it and pay off debt, and start preparing for his retirement. MyEcon is a fast-growing, debt-free, technology-driven company based in Atlanta, Georgia. The company has empowered thousands of people to minimize their taxes, earn income online, and build their retirement income. MyEcon has contracts with over 100 Fortune 500 companies and has enjoyed many years of exciting growth and success. The company is managed by a diverse veteran leadership team with many successful years of corporate, finance, and marketing experience. Our mission is to empower people to attain personal financial success. Now, what is personal financial success? It's simply having enough cash flow to support a person's lifestyle during their working years and during their retirement. The money to support our lifestyle must be generated from two unique sources. During our working years, the money comes from our labor as we work jobs or build businesses. But during our retirement years, the money is generated by our assets and investments. Let me give you an example. A person earning $100,000 annually during their working years and desires the same income during their retirement would need about $1 million in their retirement account. If the $1 million retirement fund earns 8 to 10% annually, it would generate about the same income they earn during their working years. The concept is simple. We must generate enough cash flow during our working years to support our lifestyle and simultaneously invest enough money to build adequate retirement assets. Unfortunately, most people do not attain personal financial success because of four major obstacles. The first obstacle is limited income and inflation. The cost of living and inflation increases faster than the wages for millions of people. Let me give you an example. A person earning $35,000 in 1993 and $70,000 today, about 20 years later is earning about the same income they earned in 1993. Obviously, they get more money in their hands, but in terms of buying power, it's about the same income. Additionally, millions of Americans lose about 1/3 of their income to taxes. Let's talk about high debt. High debt causes many people to spend thousands of dollars annually because of the interest they are paying on it. The fourth obstacle is less than ideal cash flow management, which prohibits many people from maximizing the earning power of their cash flow. Millions of people earn 2 to 4% annually on their investment, but financially successful people average 6 to 12% annually. A one-time investment of $10,000 that earns 4% annually for 24 years would grow to $26,000, but at 8%, it would be worth $68,000 during the same time period. Guess what? It is nearly impossible to build adequate retirement funds with low rates of return. These obstacles cost people thousands of dollars each year, which makes it difficult to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle and build adequate retirement assets simultaneously. Fortunately, MyEcon has a solution for overcoming these obstacles and attaining financial success. Our personal financial success system, which has 3 smart cash flow strategies. Each strategy empowers associates to increase their cash flow. We have a system that will show you how to strategically minimize taxes. Listen, when you minimize your taxes, this is a very important cash flow strategy. Why? Because many Americans lose about 1/3 of their income to taxes. We use 3 methods to assist our associates in minimizing their taxes. Did you know that according to the IRS, 80% of all employees have their tax withholding forms filled out incorrectly, which can cause employers to withhold way too much money from employee paychecks? I know this because when I first started working, I claimed what most people claim, 001, only because I didn't know any better. I learned just because a person works in the Human Resource Department or is a tax preparer or a CPA does not mean they are financially literate. With this information, you can just imagine having an extra $500 to $1,000 monthly for investing, debt elimination, or enhancing your lifestyle simply by correcting your tax withholdings. The second method is home-based business deductions. Because business owners have access to hundreds of deductions that employees do not have access to, let's take a few minutes to understand the net income difference between a W-2 employee and a home-based business owner. These numbers, the standard deductions and exemptions, can be found on the 1040 form and the back page of the W-4 form. It is important to know that these numbers change annually. In this example, we have 3 married couples with 2 children each. Each of them makes $70,000 per year, and they don't own any real estate. Their standard deduction is $14,800, and their exemptions are $11,900, which totals to $26,700. For the first couple, we're going to take that number and subtract it from $70,000, which gives us $43,300 left, which is couple number one's taxable income. Couple number two has a part-time job and earns an additional $5,000 per year. Their taxable income is going to be $48,300, which is $5,000 more than couple number one. Here's the problem. Neither couple can shelter their hard-earned income because they don't own a business or real estate. Now let's take a look at couple number three. They decided to start a part-time home-based business and made an additional $5,000 per year. They are entitled to receive over 400 tax deductions. How are they authorized so many deductions? When you team up with me, I'm going to provide you with the tools and resources on how to audit-proof your business simply by owning a home-based business. Now, I'm not going to cover all 400 tax deductions in this example, just a few. So, couple number three are only paying taxes on $23,300. Let's go further and discuss how couple number three are entitled to so many tax deductions as a home-based business owner. The government says that you must be in pursuit of an income to get the maximum amount of tax deductions. This doesn't necessarily mean that you closed or made a sale. It simply means that you were in pursuit of or attempted to increase your business income. Business miles. As a business owner, you are entitled to receive 56 cents for every 1 mile you drive your car when in pursuit of a business, or by deducting a percentage of expenses such as gas, insurance, maintenance, lease payments, the interest on loans, and the cost of the vehicle. That means if you drive to a business function, regardless of where it's held, someone's house, a restaurant, or hotel, that mileage is now tax deductible and can be written off as a business expense. According to the IRS, you can either write off your mileage or your maintenance on your vehicle. So in this example, the couple was able to write off 56 cents for every mile they drove for a total of $5,475 in business miles. Communications. If your home-based business requires the use of internet, you are entitled to write it off. The same applies to any phone service or fax service you use to conduct business, as long as it's a separate line used for business. It doesn't matter if you're a homeowner or renting, you are still entitled to claim this deduction. In this example, they'll write off $1,500. Did you know you can also write off your children if you hire them in your business for up to $6,000? Business meals. According to the business meals and entertainment deduction rules, if you take a potential business client out to lunch and you spend $50, 50% of that money is tax deductible, which is a total of $25. Just think about it. You're going to eat lunch anyway. Why not discuss the benefits of your business and now make it a tax deduction? The only thing you are required to do is keep proper documentation, which we'll go more into detail in a minute. Your employer may not allow you to claim these type of deductions. However, the probability of them claiming a business deduction is extremely high. As a business owner, this puts you on the same even level playing field as a C corporation, but from the comfort of your own home. So in this example, we'll estimate that all expenses for the year totaled $25,000. This is just a small number, however, it could be substantially higher. Here's the deal. When you know the rules, then and only then can you effectively play the game. This information isn't hidden. It's free from the IRS, so obviously a home-based business can help business owners put thousands of dollars in their pocket. Now, the third method is quality record keeping. The IRS requires all business owners to keep records to qualify for their business deductions. MyEcon makes record keeping simple and easy with its online record keeping system, the Cashflow Manager. This system is great because the user needs no special tax or accounting knowledge. Let's take a look at our Cashflow Manager tool. In this example, we have John on the sample input screen. To record a tax-deductible expense, you can access the system via your smartphone, tablet, or your computer. You simply choose the expense category from a drop-down menu, enter the amount of expense, who the expense was paid to, and what the expense was paid for. In the expense log system stores the expenses in multiple formats, which makes tax preparation and analyzing the expenses simple. Imagine saving $5,000 annually on taxes for the next 10 years. That's an additional $50,000 you can use for investing or debt elimination. Now that's what I call a really smart cash flow strategy. Our second smart cash flow strategy is to be able to earn business income. Our business income strategy is essential because millions of people desire additional income and simply cannot get a significant pay raise from their job. We provide each associate with a world-class online business income system and a personalized business website. The personalized website has marketing displays for MyEcon, specialty products, and online Cashback Mall. The Cashback Mall has marketing displays for over 1,000 companies and millions of products and services. Many of the stores are household names like Walmart, Macy's, Best Buy. To make money, you simply refer people to your website. When customers shop, they get great online pricing plus cash rebates up to 30%. And MyEcon associates get commission. This system is great because the customer saves money. MyEcon associates make business income and the cash rebates build great customer loyalty. The purchase is picked up at the store or shipped directly from the store to the customer. So MyEcon associates have no responsibility for shipping, exchanges, or customer service. Because the system is online, you can do business all over America from the convenience of your own home. With MyEcon, you will be able to achieve fast pay, promotions. For example, when you start your MyEcon career as a marketing director, you earn 25% on all sale commissions generated on your website. With MyEcon, you will be able to achieve fast pay and promotions. For example, when you start your MyEcon career as a marketing director, you earn 25% on all sales commission generated on your website, plus $25 on the first 3 marketing directors you personally enroll, and also a 50% base shop income match. When you have personally enrolled 3 marketing directors, generated $5 of commissional value, you are promoted to an executive vice president. Let me explain how you can earn what we call upfront, leverage, and residual income. Because in order to create wealth, you must have partners who are the same like mind, because there is no greatness in the number one. J. Paul Getty made a profound statement. He said, "I would rather be paid 1% of 100 people's effort rather than 100% of my own." Now, what does that mean? It means that you can get more accomplished when you have partners. Let me give you an example. Have you ever noticed on TV commercials when a lawyer says, "If you have an accident, call Hobgood, Weeks, Jones, and Associates"? Why are there always so many of them? Because they can understand the principles of asset leveraging. By understanding this principle, it will allow you to get more done if you have more people working with you. Because there are so many hours in the day and there's only one of you, but as an executive vice president, you will earn 50% on the sales commission on personal sales and up to 25% on all your team sales. As the executive vice president, you will also receive $50 on all marketing directors you personally enroll. $25 each on the first 3 marketing directors, each of them enrolled to infinity, plus a $1,000 bonus each time 7 new marketing directors enroll in your base shop. That's a really simple process. You receive $50 on unlimited personal enrollees and $25 on the first 3 marketing directors, each of them enrolled to infinity, plus an additional $1,000 bonus each time 7 new marketing directors are enrolled in your base shop. You earn $1,175 each time 7 marketing directors enroll in your base shop, plus up to $6 monthly on each active associate on your entire team, and up to $2.50 on each $10 sales of commission generated by your team. Our third strategy is cash flow success. This strategy empowers our associates to make money with their money. Most financially successful people make a significant amount of their income by investing, using their money to make money. Unfortunately, because most people have high taxes, high debt, and limited income, it is difficult for them to have the extra cash flow for investing. Most people need some extra cash flow to get started with the strategy. At MyEcon, we assist our associates to get the extra cash flow quickly via the W-4 form tax saving strategy and business income. Can you just imagine having an extra $1,000 to $2,500 monthly to apply to your debt? The debt melts away and you quickly become not debt-free, but free to do what you want, when you want, on your own terms. I'm telling you that when debt is eliminated and you have 3 new streams of income coming in your household, that's pretty awesome. The income you were formerly losing to taxes, plus the part-time business income, and the cash flow you formerly used to pay on your debt. Use those 3 income streams to begin investing heavily, and you can quickly attain personal financial success, or maybe even become a millionaire in a short period of time. Picture this. Imagine investing an extra $1,000 to $5,000 monthly and watching your retirement assets grow. The bottom line is this. We require enough cash flow to cover our lifestyle and simultaneously make investments for the future. More income, less taxes, and less debt makes attaining personal financial success easier. Let's take a look at a quick scenario, which can shed more light on this powerful strategy. The debt is eliminated in 20 months. In this example, we have an employee who has $30,000 in consumer debt with a minimum payment of $750 monthly. The debt is $15,000 in car note, $15,000 in credit card debt. The associate is struggling to live comfortably and invest for retirement. Let's take a quick look at how our system can help. The employee becomes a MyEcon associate and changes his W-4 form, which increases his take-home pay by $300 a month. The associate begins to build his business on a part-time basis and starts earning an additional $800 monthly. The associate now has an additional $1,100 monthly to work with, $300 from tax adjustments and $800 from the business income. The associate pays $1,100 monthly on his debt. The associate now has $1,850 monthly cash flow to invest, $300 from tax adjustments, $800 from business income, and $750 from eliminated debt. If the associate gets 8% annual return on his investments, he will now have over $200,000 in 7 years, over $400,000 in 12 years, and over $1 million in 20 years. The strategy is powerful and life-changing. Millions of people desire financial success, but most don't have the right strategy and the right support they need to attain it. If you are one of those people, you are in the right place at the right time. MyEcon's personal financial success system is the solution. Now, you just received a wealth of information on how to save a tremendous amount of money on your taxes, simply by owning a home-based business. Here's what you'll receive when you get started with MyEcon: a personalized website, a world-class business income system, world-class financial software, specialty products, valuable tax benefits, and a world-class support and recognition. Sign up today and receive the entire system for a one-time fee of just $179.99, which, by the way, is tax deductible, plus a small monthly website management fee of $29.95. All that's left for you to do is click on the link below and let's get started with MyEcon today. Listen, when you join my team, I will expose you to the tools you can use in order to be able to funnel more leads into your business online without even leaving the comfort of your own home. This will allow you to live the lifestyle you deserve to live. Oh, and one more thing. Don't hesitate. Because every month you let go by, you are giving the government an interest-free loan on money that you cannot get back. So let's jump right in and get started. Thanks again for watching. I'm Malcolm Stewart, and I look forward to taking this journey with you. Have a fantastic day.